A West Michigan restaurant owner has been arrested after the state says she ignored COVID rules and regulations, including the state's ban on indoor dining.
But it's what happened in court after that arrest that's getting all the attention. Let's get out to Mara McDonald. Mara, arraignments normally last just a few minutes. This one got pretty wild.
It was a dumpster fire, Kimberly. There's no other way to say it. And it started with a guy out of Texas who is not an attorney appearing in court on behalf of this restaurant owner, saying he was there to be of legal assistance to her counsel. Well, the judge was having none of this. Take a look.
Sir, you're also not licensed in any other state, is that correct?
Ma'am, may I make a statement?
You may answer my question. Are you licensed in any other state to practice law?
No, I am not.
All right, you're also not licensed in this state. I am therefore holding you in contempt.
And that was the beginning of the bad day in court for West Michigan restaurant owner Marlena Pavlos Hackney. Hackney was arrested today for keeping her bistro and pizzeria in Holland open and flouting COVID orders for months. In her own words, here's why.
We don't want in this country communist regime who's going to dictate what we can do and what we cannot do.
The AG's office had had enough of the defiance. She was arrested today and brought in for a hearing after the judge threw Rick Martin, who is not a lawyer and yet was trying to be of, quote, legal assistance in contempt of court. Hackney's real lawyer arrived via Zoom. Didn't really help her. She got a tongue lashing from the judge for her refusal to follow COVID orders.
Financial gain and apparently for the publicity that comes with this. Maybe you should stop. One more outburst, there'll be 93 days contempt of anybody who interrupts this court.
Back here live at the end of the hearing, Judge Aquilina, who, if she looks familiar to you, it's because she was one of the judges in the Nassar trials. Judge Aquilina decided to put Pavlos Hackney in jail until her restaurant is shut down permanently. We are live downtown tonight. Mara McDonald, Local 4.
So any idea when she might get out of jail, Mara?
Well, it sounds like the judge is not going to let her out of jail until she pays a $7,500 fine and until the AG's office is satisfied that this restaurant is shut down and that she's not going to immediately come out of jail and just reopen and keep flouting orders. Wow. Back to you. So probably 4 days, 5 days?
Yeah. We'll see. Okay, Mara, thank you.